Welcome to the program in Advanced Certificate in Hospital Operations and Administration. In a world where the quality of healthcare services directly impacts patient outcomes, mastering the management of various hospital departments is essential. This particular course equips you with the knowledge to excel in every aspect of hospital operations with respect to indoor and outdoor hospital services. Hello, I'm Dr. Vishakha, and I'm happy to introduce you to our course in Indoor and Outdoor Hospital Services. This specific course is designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of hospital services, from outpatient departments to specialized care units. Let's explore what you will learn and why this certification is crucial for your career. In Unit 1, we delve into the outpatient department or OPD. We'll explore its historical aspects, types, and functions. Learn about effective planning, design considerations, equipment needs, staffing, and workflow processes. Understand the administrative issues and how to monitor and evaluate OPD services for optimal performance. Unit 2 covers accident and emergency services. Discover the scope and functions of emergency services, from planning and equipment to staffing and policies. We will also discuss ambulance services, procedural guidelines, and how to evaluate and monitor emergency services effectively. In Unit 3, we focus on the operation theatre. Learn about planning, considerations, engineering services, and equipment essential for surgical procedures. We will cover the specifics of staffing and the role of service pendants in ensuring a smooth workflow in the operating room. Unit 4 covers intensive care units, obstetrics and neonatal care services. Understand admission criteria for ICUs, planning considerations, and the equipment and staffing required. We will explore policy and procedures, principles of intensive care, and the unique needs of neonatal and obstetric care. Unit 5 dives into nursing services and ward management. Discover the evolution of nursing education, the role and responsibilities of nursing staff, and staffing patterns. Learn about nursing care methods, equipment in wards, and how to monitor and evaluate nursing services. In Unit 6, we will explore radio diagnosis and imaging services. Learn about the different modalities of radiology, equipment management, staffing needs, and radiation safety policies. We'll cover the planning, policies, and procedures for effective imaging services. Unit 7 focuses on laboratory services. Understand the functions, components, and layout of laboratory services, as well as staff requirements and equipment needs. We will also discuss the policies, quality control, and the management of laboratory hazards. Unit 8 covers mortuary services. Learn about the functions, planning considerations, and policies for mortuary services, including embalming procedures and safety measures. In Unit 9, we explore blood transfusion services. Discover the history, categories, and functions of blood transfusion services. We will cover planning, equipment, staffing, and policies, as well as the management of blood-related infections and autologous transfusions. Unit 10 focuses on physical medicine and rehabilitation, PMR. Learn about the history of PMR services, approaches to prevent disability, and the planning and design of rehabilitation facilities. We'll also cover staffing, functions, and equipment for effective rehabilitation. In Unit 11, we dive into pharmacy services. Understand the functions of hospital pharmacies, including drug distribution, information services, and quality management. Learn about policies, human resource management, and steps to prevent pilferage and theft. Finally, Unit 12 covers ambulatory care services. Discover the design principles for ambulatory care, including surgery and future care models. Learn about the requirements and planning needed for effective ambulatory care services. This course in indoor and outdoor hospital services is your gateway to mastering the management of diverse hospital services. We look forward to welcoming you to our course.